Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your trading knowledge with eTrade detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the eTrade website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your eTrade account using your credentials. Navigate to the Education section on the main menu. Explore the available resources like articles, videos, and webinars. Choose a specific topic you'd like to learn about, such as options trading or technical analysis. Watch the instructional videos to grasp fundamental concepts. Read articles to deepen your understanding of various trading strategies. Take advantage of live webinars for real-time learning opportunities. Engage in any interactive courses eTrade offers. Utilize the demo account feature to practice trading without real money. Apply the knowledge gained in the demo account to build confidence. Follow market updates and insights offered on the platform to stay informed. Join *Trades community forums to discuss strategies with other traders. Ask questions and seek advice from seasoned traders in the forums. Review your trading performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Continue expanding your knowledge by revisiting the education section regularly. Set specific learning goals to track your progress over time. Stay disciplined in applying what you learn in your real trading activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.